Hey guys, welcome to Exam Tricks. Today we are going to learn to solve the problems of time and work, which is a regular in every exam, be it CSAT, UPSC or SSC or IBPS. So we will learn by solving two examples. The first example that we are going to solve today is 36 men can do a piece of work in 25 days. In how many days can 30 men do the same work? Let us assume as strength T time and W work. The formula we are getting is strength into time is equal to work. Strength into time divided by work is equal to 1, rearranging the equation. Now we will be using this formula and solving this type of a question and many other type of a question where other parameters will also be changing. In this particular question the work is same, and we are required to find the number of days in the second equation. So there may be other questions where other parameters will also be changing. So right, equating the equation, we can see that small s into small t by divided by small w is equal to big S into big T divided by W, and as the work is same, cancelling out the work and substituting the values, we get 36 into 25 is equal to 30 into T, and we can easily get the value of T, that is 30 days. It was an easy question because the work was same and we were required to the time, and putting the values in the formula we could get the answer very easily. But suppose there are other questions in which there are other parameters which are also changing, then how you will solve that question? In that question also we will utilize this very formula, the same formula, strength into time divided by work is equal to 1, will be utilized in other complex questions, and we will be able to solve other question as easily as this question. Now the second question that we are going to solve is, if 16 men can build a wall of 52 meter length in 25 days working for 8 hours a day, in how many days 64 men can build a similar wall of 260 meter length working for 10 hours a day? Here other parameters are also changing. 16 men, 64 men, 52 meter length wall, 260 meter length wall, 10 hours a day and 8 hours a day. We are required to find the number of days. Putting the values in the equation, 16 into 8 into 25 by 52 is equal to 1, 64 into x into 10 by 260 is equal to 1. Here x is the number of days we are required to find. We have put the values. Now as both the equations are equal to 1, we will be equating these two equations against each other, and it will be very easy for us to calculate the number of days by this equation. So if any other parameter also is changing, suppose we were required to find something else, then we could have utilized this equation. Now to get the answer, we have equated that equation, and we can easily get the value of x is equal to 25. Now this question was a little bit complex compared to the earlier one, but it was again easy. In next videos we will be solving more complex problems where other parameters will also be changing. By reading the question you may get a feeling that this question is tough, but by knowing this formula you will see it very clearly and you will solve these types of questions in mere 10 seconds, and the accuracy is also guaranteed because there is very less calculation involved in this type of a question. So the only way to conquer mathematics is to practice and take it head on, learn it and solve the questions. Subscribe to my channel, I'll be making similar videos. Thanks for watching.